باب وإن طائفتان من المؤمنين اقتتلوا فأصلحوا بينهما فسماهم المؤمنين. Chapter. And if two parties or groups from among the believers fall to fighting, then make peace between them both. Allah has called them believers. حدثنا عبد الرحمن بن المبارك حدثنا حماد بن زيد حدثنا أيوب ويونس عن الحسن عن الأحنف بن قيس قال: ذهبت لأنصر هذا الرجل فلقيني أبو بكرة فقال: أين تريد؟ قلت: أنصر هذا الرجل. قال: ارجع فإني سمعت رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم يقول: إذا التقى المسلمان بسيفيهما فالقاتل والمقتول في النار. فقلت: يا رسول الله، هذا القاتل فما بال المقتول؟ قال: إنه كان حريصا على قتل صاحبه. Narrated Ahnaf ibn Qais. While I was going to help this man, Ali ibn Abi Talib, Abu Bakr met me and asked, "Where are you going?" I replied, "I am going to help that person." He said, "Go back, for I have heard Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, saying, when two Muslims fight, meet each other with their swords, both the murderer as well as the murdered will go to the hellfire." I said, "O Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, it is all right for the murderer, but what about the murdered one?" Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, replied, "He surely had the intention to kill his companion." Al-Shaykh Hafiz Muhammad Iqbal, may Allah protect him, has compiled the verification of this hadith. In various books on this subject, he found a total of 56 narrations from Ahnaf ibn Qais radiyallahu anhu. The references for these hadiths are being documented in detail.
Thank you for visiting our Sirat Mustaqeem channel. To listen to the English translations of hadiths from Sahih Bukhari, where the sayings of all the narrators have been compiled along with their references, kindly subscribe to our channel. Jazakallah khair.